What's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Today we got a little oddball, a 2006 Toyota Sequoia, just over 100,000 original miles. It spent the majority of its life right here in Virginia. It is a super clean, rust-free Toyota, very hard to find. And you could tell body-wise, it's in very good shape. Interior is immaculate. Undercarriage, again, I'm gonna give you some shots of that. No rust at all anywhere. Just over 100,000 miles. V8, third row seat. And you can tell somebody's really took care of it. Mechanically, it's very nice. Tires are almost new. It's got almost a brand new set of Michelins on it. You see like the headlight lenses are still super crystal clear. And if you look down the body, you can see the paint just shines like brand new. It's even got a little bit of dust on it, but it still is in that good a shape. Give you a shot of the driver's side as well. Same thing, the paint is just in absolutely beautiful condition. Almost 100% on tread, somewhere in the 90 to 100 range. A couple small little spots on the very front. Actually, I'm gonna break them off. Definitely for the year of the truck, I couldn't imagine you could find them any nicer. See the frame, no scaling, rust anywhere. Frame is still immaculate. Look how beautiful that is. So that's what you get when you get a vehicle that comes straight out of Virginia that's been maintained and washed. This is a garage kept vehicle for the past 5-6 years. You can see how nice the leather is. No issues with the dash. Everything is clean. The carpets are still super nice. If they had kids, they were pretty well mannered in the aspect of keeping stuff clean. The carpets back here are still very nice as well. It's amazing to see the truck in person. If you've seen it in person, it's probably even nicer than what you're seeing in the video. Granted, this video is shot in 4K. So again, this is a locally owned 2006 Toyota Sequoia, just over 100,000 original miles. Mechanically, absolutely perfect. New battery this year. All the maintenance is up to date. I believe I have a record from the Toyota dealership on the timing belt, and I want to say it was done at 80,000. I'll have a service record to go with the vehicle. So there's no maintenance that's due, none required for a long period of time. Everything is 100% up to date. A brand new VA inspection as well. So if you're in the market, you're out of state, this video should give you a good idea how nice the truck is. I would easily sell it to you, ship it to you, and you're going to get exactly what I'm describing in this video. So if you're in the market, give us a call. We ship anywhere nationwide. Call us direct, 540-898-1300. You can also shoot us an email at deluxemotorsports@gmail.com. That's spelled DLUX motorsports@gmail.com. So again, I'm pretty pumped up. Beautiful Sequoia. We don't come across these very often. You guys know how rare they are, and this is a vehicle that's just over 100,000 miles. Third passenger SUV that's less than 10 grand, so I don't expect it to last long. So give us a call today. Talk to you then.